During winter or in colder climates, preheating your Tesla's battery helps you charge faster and spend less time at the station. With our sexy products, you can manually warm up your battery anytime without needing to navigate to a Tesla supercharger. And with update 5.12, we've taken things even further by introducing an automation that allows you to preheat the battery remotely. This feature works on all Tesla models we support. We achieved this by linking our system to the Tesla's cabin preconditioning, which keeps the car awake and prevents the commander from falling asleep. Here's how to set it up. Open the Sexy app, go to the Commander tab, select Remote Battery Preheating, toggle it on and set a temperature marker. This marker tells the unit when to begin warming the battery. Then open the Tesla app and activate cabin preconditioning using the same temperature value you selected in the Sexy app. This automatically starts the battery preheating process. But that's not all. You can also define a precise temperature threshold to ensure your battery reaches an optimal level for fast charging without wasting energy. We recommend preheating the battery to around 40 degrees Celsius. Once the target temperature is reached, preconditioning pauses and will resume only when the battery temperature drops by 2 degrees Celsius. If you find this feature helpful, go down in the comments and share at what degree your battery charges at full speed, and don't forget to share your Tesla model so that others can learn from you.